Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr Financial Group. Today's Friday, December 12, 2025. So Wednesday, we got our interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve as expected. And it fell into the category of a dovish cut because that the forecast and guidance was that there'll probably be future interest rate cuts. And then also the market started talking about, hey, we're going to get a new Fed chairman, and it's pretty clear that whoever it is, he or she is going to be pretty dovish. So those factors combined to kind of give us the interest rate cut and the dovish analysis out of it. And the markets did well after that. And I think one of the important things here that's not widely understood was that the volatility measurements came down after the big event. In other words, traders, institutions, and all hedging was around that Wednesday, Thursday days. And as long as you didn't get some monstrous out of left field, unexpected event, which we didn't, those hedges come off. And then when they come off, there's the volatility comes down. When volatility comes down, stocks go up. And this is where the algorithms kick in. There's plenty of funds that are volatility control funds that influence the market. And all they do is trade on algorithms. When volatility measurements come down like they were going to do after we get past that event, then stocks rise. These funds come in and buy from their algorithms. So that certainly helped the market. What didn't help the market was Oracle and Broadcom. Both reported Wednesday night and then last night, Thursday night, both had problems with their earnings reports, and both stocks were down and dragged the technology and the NASDAQ down too. So we'll see if there is a recovery there. Maybe for the intermediate time, there's a rotation out of technology and into some other areas. That some retail's been beaten up, so maybe some retail goes, it gets a trade higher. So we'll see. And lastly, just that the last biggest event on the calendar before the new year is next Friday, the options expiration. Big numbers of options and futures and options on futures and like that, called the triple witching hour. And that could cause some volatility. But again, beyond that, there's really not much on the calendar. So again, it'd be a seamless trading in terms of maybe quiet volatility coming down and stocks going up as well. So have a good weekend. Please like, share, and subscribe. Send us any messages and questions and suggestions. We appreciate it. And we'll be back on Monday. Thank you. Goodbye.